Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to dispute a charge from Kabbage. Now it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to be a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now you want to start by reviewing your transaction history in your Kabbage dashboard and identify the charge in question. Note the dates and the amount. And next you're going to compare it to your repayment schedule, invoices, and any services that you might have used. And if it's truly unauthorized or inaccurate, you want to go to the help center and file a support ticket. You're going to need to include a description of the charge as well as your business name and account identification, likewise any supporting evidence like bank statements or receipts. You may also consider contacting your bank to initiate a temporary dispute while Kabbage investigates. Now, most disputes are resolved within 5 to 10 business days, of course, depending on the situation. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.